Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest. I am Toastmaster Jai Singh, President of this club. I'm a part of this organization since Jan 2019. From that day, I never missed any meeting because of the supportive and creative environment of this club. What's the mission of our club? Mission of our club is Toastmaster Club of Pune Northwest provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in a greater self-confidence and personal growth. Yes. So this is the mission of our club. So now, once again, I want to welcome all the guests who came here to join us to have a great meeting with all of you. Now, you all are here. And why? And what else are we expecting from you? Or what will you get it from us? That is always a question. But before I answer all your questions or your queries, let me set some rules. So whenever someone is speaking, so you have to just refrain yourself from the movement so that there will be no any distraction with the speaker. It's a respect to the speaker. The second point, if you are not using your mobile, then please keep it shut down. No need to use it. Just enjoy the meeting. No more rules. Only one request. Or I had to say only two requests. First thing, just rename yourself like guest Jain, guest Vijender, or guest Mayur. As the other members are doing, you have to just click on your name and then rename yourself. Okay? So go to participant list, find your name, right click, rename, guest underscore. So simple. Yeah, that's the Toastmaster Club. We make everything simple as much as possible and keep it advanced. That's the great point. Now, once again, we all are here. We will today discuss about what is Toastmaster, what's the benefit you can get out of this, how you will get this, what are the expectations which our club is expecting from you, or what you can expect from us. All these things, yes, we can discuss all these things today. You will get the good time. You will get the enough time to ask any question related to the public speaking or the Toastmaster. Our seasoned Toastmaster, our experienced professionals, they will help you. They will help you to answer, to find the path, to find the answer of each and every question. You will get it. And I'm assuring you, as soon as we go ahead in this meeting, you will definitely enjoy and you will remain always with us. So now, with this small information and a small welcome from our side, now I want to hand over to our seasoned Toastmaster. So Toastmaster Hemant. Toastmaster Hemant, just give me a second. So Toastmaster Hemant, now the stage is yours.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir. We can always want to hear you. Thank you. And the stage is yours. Thanks to join us.
Yeah,
now
thank
I
you,
will
Jay.
keep my voice.
Thank you very much. Find your voice. I hope all of you will not take this statement literally. But yeah, what we are trying to do here is trying to explain you how Toastmasters can help you with learning public speaking skills and also practicing leadership skills. Toastmaster Hina, who is our senior Toastmaster, is going to take you through this presentation and talk more about what Toastmaster offers.
Thank you, DTM Hemant. So I see quite a lot of guests here. So how's the Josh? Everyone, it's evening time.
Great, ma'am.
I'm really excited to see some of the, previous Toastmasters, previous members. Great.
Yes, absolutely. So can we see a raise of hands for all those who know what Toastmasters is? You can send a virtual thumbs up to us. Okay. From the guests, please. Nice, nice. So many of us do know, but many of us are still unaware of what Toastmasters is and how can it benefit us. So, not wasting much of your time, and let's move ahead with our presentation for today. What is Toastmasters? Well, Toastmasters is an organization. It's a non-profit educational organization, in fact, which is spread over 145 countries. And what does it do for you? It helps you build your public speaking skills. It helps you build your fluency. It helps you build your communication skills. Along with that,
hello all,
build your
Kailash joined.
leadership skills.
Am I
So it is
audible?
sorry?
Kailash joined. Today's my first session.
It is a network of over 3,64,000 members in more than 16,200 clubs across 145 countries. How will you benefit? Well, anytime we go out to buy something or anytime we go out to an institution, the first question that we have in our mind is, what's in it for me? How do I benefit from it? Toastmasters is the right place for you to build your skills. It helps you improve your public speaking skills, your leadership skills, you build your self-confidence, you plan your events, you become hosts, you become your MCs. There is no public speaking area that is left untouched when you are a part of Toastmasters. And then you realize by yourself what is that area that you need to improve on by yourself. I think it's a self-help place and works amazingly, fantastically to improve the skills that it promises you. Toastmasters club experience. How does it benefit you? We are talking so great about Toastmasters, but how does it actually do? So you have a hands-on learning environment. As part of Toastmasters meetings, you come on the stage, you plan your speeches, you plan your roles. You have different roles in it. So, you learn time management, you learn how to give speeches, you learn to listen as well, right? That's also an important part in communication, listening. So I think Toastmasters helps you a lot listening and understanding and grasping the things that you need to move ahead in your life. Opportunities to lead at every meeting, and that is the roles that we were talking about. You get different roles, you get different leadership opportunities. When you join Toastmasters, you come to know of it, and it's an unexplored area that comes ahead of us. You receive feedback and evaluations. So one of my friends was actually talking, and she said, Hina, I want to talk in English, I want to interact, but the problem is talk to, because if I go to my friends, they start laughing, they say, come on, leave, why are you talking in English with us? Yeah. And if I go and talk to a stranger, he would anyways not talk to me. Toastmasters is the place, because here when you talk, people not only listen to you, but they also try to help you, improve you. And that is where the feedbacks and the evaluations come into picture. Access to a mentor. Well, when you join us, when you join the club, when you join this fraternity of Toastmasters, you are not alone. We help you, give you, a buddy, and you have a mentor who will guide you. So you reach out to mentor anytime. They'll tell you what you have to do the next step, and how to give your speeches. What are you lacking currently? How have you improved till now? Well, it's that is how Toastmasters club experiences help us. What is the Pathways learning experience? When I talk of public speaking, or when I talk of communication, or when I talk of leadership, all of us have different requirements. I'm in my office and I want to grow as a leader. So my requirement is, how would a leader talk? How would a leader communicate? How would a leader present his feedback to the team? He cannot be abruptly, just give a head that you've not done a good job. No. He has to have those skills to be a leader. Well, you might be requiring that in your organization. You might want to, improve yourself on the presentation skills. Now, Toastmasters understands your requirements. When you join Toastmasters, you talk to different people in the club. You tell them that, this is the area that I want to improve on. And that is where the role of pathways come. That is where you choose your pathway and you progress on that particular pathway. You cross different levels. The speeches that you give when you are on the stage, what you talk about is all dependent on the pathway that you have chosen. So it's all fully planned structure is, when you join Toastmasters and when you start your journey with Toastmasters, everything is planned, everything is structured. Senior mentors are there, members are there. So you don't even, it's not that one single mentor is there for you. The entire club helps you, comes forward and guides you. So if I talk of the points here, Pathways is Toastmasters education program. There are 11 paths that you can choose from. These include like leadership or, presentation, etc. You can have Pathways online, or you can even order a hard copy of your levels and the speeches that you give. Work at your own pace, of course. It's, as I told you, it's a self-help platform. If you are busy with your professional or personal life, it's absolutely fine. Keep joining the meetings. Progress on a pathway at your own pace. If you still feel that you want to give the speech again, or you want to complete that level again, go ahead. It's absolutely your own pace that you take here, and build professional skills. Well, there's no end to it. You build professional networks. You get buddies in the club who help you give feedback, you evaluate your speeches. Okay, a glimpse into pathways, what we were just talking about. These are the pathways that you see here. Dynamic leadership, which helps you build your leadership skills as per the situation. Effective coaching, if you want to get into coaching, you can choose this pathway, where all your design of the pathway will be as per effective coaching. Coming down, you have motivational strategies, then you have the persuasive influence, and many more, right? Team collaboration, very small skills, but these play an important role in professional as well as your personal life. Team collaboration, we all know we have to collaborate, but here you will get those insights which will help you collaborate better and make you stand out from the crowd. Okay, how the evaluation process works. So I'll just give you a good idea of how Toastmasters normal meeting works. So I choose a pathway. For example, I choose dynamic leadership. Then I choose, Sunday. The next Sunday, I want to give my first speech, which is called as icebreaker in Toastmasters. So I want to give my icebreaker. I choose Sunday. I choose that particular slot for me. And on the next Sunday, the Sunday that I chose, I go ahead and I give my 4 to 6 minutes speech. I prepared the speech on my own, but then I get it reviewed by the mentor. I even give a round of demo and dry run to my mentor, and he can guide me that this is how you did well, and you can improve on these things. Once that is done, on the meeting day, you go ahead, you give your speech. Of course, you will fumble. Of course, you will forget lines. Of course, you want to see the notes. Everything will be there. But you go ahead and give your speech. Now, when you're giving your speech, you are allotted an evaluator. There's an evaluator who is at a higher level from your level. And this evaluator is actually trying to notice all the points that are required for a good speech. And what you see on the screen now is an evaluation form. Right, so the first point, if you can read it, it's a little light here, is the spoken language. So how clear were you while you were talking? Were you breaking a lot, or were you, your pronunciation needed some improvement? Anything. Vocal variety. Were you sad when you was talking something painful, or were you happy when you were talking about your class 10th percentage? Something like that. But yeah, this is the vocal variety that we look into. Then you have the eye contact. Normally when I talk to you, I tend to look down. Were you doing that when you were on the stage? And furthermore, there are many points on this. The evaluator marks each and every point that on vocal variety you were a 2, and how can you improve? He will give you some comments there. And then your entire speech will be evaluated. Not only this, the other 30, 40, 50 members who are attending and listening to your speech come ahead and give you a feedback as well, which is a written feedback which you can read and just collate all the points, and in the next speech come ahead, make sure those points are not repeated, and you improve one by one on each and every points in the evaluation. Every time you give a speech, it is evaluated. Is it all that I come to my club and give my speech and it's evaluated? No. Toastmasters, as I told you, is an international fraternity. With online meetings coming up, you have access to each and every club in Toastmasters. So if you want to attend a meeting in Canada, just go and check for the clubs in Canada, whoever are having your online meetings, check their timings. You can go ahead and give a speech there as well. So it's like an open platform for you. So you can subscribe to Toastmasters magazines. You can write articles in Toastmasters magazine. So this way it helps you improve your writing skills as well. Then you have speech contests, where every 6 months we have 2 contests on different aspects. Humorous speech, you have on international speech, etc. Then you have conferences which you can attend. These conferences are, they give you a professional glimpse of how things work in Toastmasters. Each and every director, or each and every role who's playing a role at a higher or district, or if I talk in layman's language, at a state level. So these sort of things are professionally done, and it's a very, very good exposure that you get. And then last but not the least, there's a website for the district that you are a part of. There's a website on Toastmasters International, and it helps you get all the resources that you look for. You can even look for different speeches that people have given, awards, contests, conventions. There are so many of it. Break barriers, not your budget. Well, though it's a non-profit organization, but there's a small fee that is charged to help you with the resources that Toastmasters assists you with, to pay for the club fee, to pay for Zoom fee, etc. The awards, and organizing contests. So there is this fee that is there. It is on the screen. So it's a 20 USD for a new member, and this is a lifetime registration fee. And then you have to pay every 6 months. So it's biannual fee that you pay to the club, and then club further pays to TI and keeps a part of it for the club expenses that we have.
And just to top up on that, that $45 comes approximately to 4,200 rupees for 6 months, which is not even 20 rupees per day. So, that's why they're giving this example where, these professional speakers arrange their seminars for public speaking for, look at 3-day seminar for 1,795 USD. But Toastmaster, just because the curriculum is self-driven, and just because the curriculum and development is driven from community, they are able to manage this in such a low cost. All they do is they have a proven framework which is in place for last more than 95 years. Toastmasters will complete 100 years in 2024. So this proven framework, which has been ongoing for more than 95 years, they just help you adopt that framework, provide you with the material, and the learning is mostly by practice, not by reading. So you come to club, you speak, you give prepared speeches, you give impromptu speeches, and you learn while you are, working, while you're actually delivering speeches. So it's not that, you will have a book that you have to read about tips about public speaking. No. Now that book can only cover certain audience, but each and everybody have their own way of, looking at how public speaking can evolve them. If I take my example, I never knew that I can actually host a talk show. I never knew that I can actually host an event for 1,000 people. But after I joined Toastmasters, I actually ended up hosting events, more than 6 events in last 4 years, which were, having more than 1,000 people audience in front of me. So Toastmasters actually also help you kind of realize, your own potential, which you are not aware of because you never got the opportunity before. But once Toastmaster comes, you gain confidence. Now you start leveraging those opportunities. Now, and I don't know if it was only Toastmaster or a lot of other things or only Toastmaster. I don't know, but I joined my company 5 years back. Uh, yeah, around 2015 June, and I joined Toastmaster 6 months after that. And in last 5 years, I have been through 3 promotions. Some of, one of that came in less than 1 year time. And I would give little bit credit to Toastmasters because it helped me to say right thing at the right time, be with right people, and not shy from putting across my point of view in front of leadership. So yeah, that's just my experience. Hina.
Well, the next point was preview of club experience, and I think Hemant has covered it. We will come to this section a little later as well. And so if you are ready to join Toastmasters, or if you would like to know more about Toastmasters, we will give you the contacts in some time. But yeah, from the screen you can see, you can talk to our VP membership Shashwatam, or our president Jay Singh, or our VP education as well, Toastmasters Swati. So you have a team here who is always there to help you out. And this comes to an end of our presentation. Over to you, Toastmaster Jay.
You're talking on mute, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Hina, and distinguished Toastmaster Hemant. You won several awards in the public speaking, in the different gatherings and all. And today you have also presented a really very nice presentation, which gives a glimpse of Toastmaster, how this community is working. Thank you very much once again to you. Now, the stage is completely open. So all the guests can ask any question which they want to answer. So our profession, distinguished Toastmaster, our special expert professional, Vinod, Toastmaster Vinod is with us, and Toastmaster Hina, you already here. So both will help you to answer your questions. You can ask any question related to public speaking. Anything which came in your mind, just ask. That's the first step. If you are asking the right question, only then we will get the right answer. So now I want to invite all of you to ask if you have anything in your mind.
Yeah, and Jay has this habit of pressurizing people for asking right question. Please ask any question that you have. The question which is wrong is never asked. So ask any question.
Yes, sure. So guest Kailash, would you like to start?
Yes, Jay. Hello all. Today is my first session in Toastmasters. So I have few queries like how would be the process? Now I have means my question is regarding like you guys now already given the sessions. So how would be this process will happen in my case? So means like so you will assign one mentor to me, and I have to reach out every
Yeah,
time.
we can address that. We can address
Okay,
that.
okay.
So,
Did you get my questions?
yes. So let me just comprehend your question. You're asking what is the next step if I want to join,
correct,
and how
correct.
does this
Yeah,
go?
yes,
So to keep it very simple, this session was arranged only to give you all a glimpse of what Toastmasters is, how it helped people, and then we'll follow it up with a section of table topic session or impromptu speaking where you will be given chance to actually try impromptu speaking. But when you come to a real Toastmasters meeting, what happens is our meeting is divided into really 3-4 sections. First section, when we have introduction. So we have a role called Sergeant at Arms who will open the meeting like Jay opened the meeting. And then we will have president. Each club is managed by a president, and each club has a term of 6 months. After 6 months, we have another president taking over. So it's not like a prime minister's job that goes on for 5 years. We do election every 6 months. So
okay.
yeah, so what happened? Presidential address followed by prepared speeches. So we have 4 to 5 prepared speeches in every meeting, wherein you follow the pathways that Hina referred in the introduction. So you follow a project in pathways that will guide you how the speech should look like You write your own speech based on that pathways project that you are referring to. Similarly, 4 to 5 speakers will attempt those speeches. Followed by the speeches, we have evaluation. So we will have members, your buddies, all the members. We will have those members coming and evaluating your speech and give you real feedback in terms of what you did really well and what could improve when you give the speech next time. So that is an evaluation and feedback session. We also have 2 small feedback sessions. So it's very, funny if you hear it for the first time. It's called a counter. So there will be a person who will count ahs and ums and any repetitive word that you use. When I say,
Okay.
I use, so many times in my speaking, and using, so many times does not create that impact. So this a counter will tell you that Kailash, you use, 8 times, which was not required for a 7-minute speech. So there's a counter, and then there is a grammarian or language evaluator who will tell you, what your grammatical mistakes are. Now, grammarian and a counter will provide the feedback in general. They will not take your name, grammarian, especially when they point out your mistake. They will say, so and so sentence could have been said in so and so way. And after these 2 feedbacks are over, we also have an impromptu speaking session wherein you will be given a chance to speak about a random topic, which you get on the fly for 1 minute to 2.5 minutes. And after these sections are over, we will have president coming again, giving closing address, any announcement. Hina already spoke about, it's not just about speaking. We have newsletters. We have so many initiatives, activities that you can also participate with. Next step. So when you join, you get a mentor in about 10 days time who will help you with reviewing your first speech. And same mentor can continue to help you, guide you in your speaking journey.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for clarifying my query.
This was very important. This was very important.
Kailash, I want to compliment you that you have already taken the first step by asking the question.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah,
many guests they confuse whether
actually I haven't tried I haven't given the speech on a stage yet, so
yes.
I'm not much confident on that part. So one of my colleague recommend me to join the Toastmasters, so at least I will improve my communication as well, and I can face the people and I can speak confidently. Okay.
Okay.
So
before that
the
topic is I'll take 1 minute to introduce all the guests, right? 6.5 years ago, I was the same guest. I joined Toastmasters 6.5 years ago. I was the same. My position was the same. Kailash, you asked the question. I never asked the question as a guest. Never, not at all. This
Okay.
platform is for the people who are doing job. This platform is for the people who want to improve in their life in public speaking and leadership qualities. We are when 4 or 5 people they discuss among themselves, and we stand. What do? We only listen to them. We do everything except asking a question or participating in the real conversation. We bite our nails, right? We do chuckling our these nails and everything. We do everything except asking the question. So this was the same. I found this platform, and today the story is totally different. So this platform is for all of you guests to improve in your public speaking as well as leadership qualities. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Kailash, for asking the question. Now we can go ahead with the next question. So, guest Shreya or guest Suresh, would you like to come on the stage and then try? Guest Shreya or guest
Hello.
Suresh?
Hello, everyone.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, so
Yeah, we can.
is there anything that I should be is there anything that I should be doing, like introduce myself or something?
Okay, Shreya, I'm really very sorry we were not able to hear you properly. Could you please repeat once?
Okay, so how many days in a week the sessions take place?
Yeah, Madam Hina, please take it up.
Yeah. So the meeting is every Sunday that we have for the club. It's once in a week, and every week there are no offs here. So entire week you prepare for the meeting, but then meeting happens on Sunday 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's the timing.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Do you have any other question?
Not for now. I'm listening to everyone. Thank you very
No
much.
problem. As soon as they came in your mind, just ask. Okay. So, guest Hunar. Guest Hunar, would you like to try? Do you have any question?
So is there a necessity to take a role for every meeting?
Yeah, Vinod sir, it's for you.
Can you beg a pardon, please?
I'll answer that, sir. It's okay.
Yeah, please.
So it's not mandatory for you to take a role and speech slot in every meeting. There could be chances that you might not get a role and speech slot in every meeting. But we always encourage people to play at least 2-3 roles in a month so that they are in touch with their public speaking journey.
Do we take the roles, nominate the roles for ourselves or someone else?
Okay, sure.
It's
So I'll
voluntary.
call someone else.
It's
Okay,
voluntary,
thanks.
Hunar. Somebody is not on mute, so if we can please mute that person. Yeah. Hunar, did you get your answer? It's totally voluntary. So our VP education, we have a dedicated role, ExCom role, executive committee role, which is vice president education, and this person actually is responsible for ensuring that we send out communications to you with available roles. And what you do is you reply to them on WhatsApp and you block your role. So it's very simple process, very set process. We have been following this in our club for over 5 years, and it works really well.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, can we have table topic session, please? Jay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will have that. Just a last call out if we have any question, and then we'll start the table topic session.
Yes. We will ask the last question and then we will go ahead.
Anybody,
Okay, so
anybody who want to ask any question, guys, I think, yeah, feel free, it could be irrelevant question, but that's okay. Just ask anything that comes to your mind.
and
Even if you say why Toastmaster is called Toastmaster, that is also accepted question. So anything.
Hemant, this is Joylin here. Hemant, I've gone through this entire session and I did hear a lot about communication skills. Can we spend another 2 minutes by Vinod or you, anyone, who can speak about leadership qualities that Toastmaster also sees so that they have an idea? I mean, you did speak about president and this stuff, but someone can speak about the leadership qualities as well, along with the communication skills.
When Vinod sir is here,
Yeah, I'll take. See, as I said, I joined 6.5 years ago, Toastmasters, right? I was a vice president of my association. I'm into logistics and I wanted to become a president. My height is 5 feet 6 inches, right? So I was rejected for the president post. They said that you don't have any qualities of public speaking or leadership. So I was dejected, disappointed. So I find out, I Googled, there are many institutes, they were charging hefty in lakhs. But I was not sure. Then I Googled Toastmasters Pune. I joined as a guest within I joined this meeting as a guest 3 times and then I become a member. So I continuously participated and took the roles as a sergeant at arms, timer and everything. Then after 3 months, I received a call from my senior, Amol Mali, that whether you want to take a role as a treasurer. My first question was, how much time it will take? He said daily only 15 minutes. So I was sure that 15 minutes is not a big deal for me to become a treasurer. I become a treasurer. Then after 6 months, as Hemant said, there is no 5 years and everything. Every 6 months there is elections. Though I become a VP membership, and after 6 months I become president. These are the leadership roles, right? So district officers, my district director said, why don't you also become an area director? So once you have got the good qualities of leadership, so you have to serve for the district also. So I served 1 year for the district as the area director, a responsibility which our area director Toastmaster Joylan has taken now. Then after area director, then again there was a request that why don't you become a division director? So I become a division director. So continuously, say 2.5 years, rather 3.5 years, I was become as a leader. And then next year, I become to host a biggest event of the Toastmasters District 98. That is where the international speech are contested. And still I'm there. Then again, I become a president, and I'm active for last 6.5 years. And I never leave this platform because this platform has given me a lot. Coming back to my original story, I became a president. I completed 4 years. Then I am a vice chairman all over India. And I'm representing India in the every government department, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Finance, Logistics Secretary, Shipping Ministry. There are so many ministries. Who gave me this platform? Toastmasters. And still I will, as I said, I'll continue because my aim is to become a chairman and to lead India in the most international countries. So guys, Atharva, then Ravi, there are so many guests, Vijendra, there are so many guests, Suresh. If you want to improve and if you want to achieve these things, you have to become a member. And please bet me, once you become a member, you will never leave Toastmasters. Today, I can say that Toastmaster is in my blood. Thank you. And I hope I make you happy, Joylan.
Yes, sure. I wanted to hear it from you because I know you're one of the most experienced Toastmasters. Before we move on to table topics, just as the area director, firstly, wonderful session to the guests. Okay. If you ask me, I am not a member of this club. I am a member of a corporate club. There are two types of club. One is a corporate club and one is a community club. Okay. Corporate club is your office club. If your office has a club, you are a part of that. Where Northwest Falls is a community club. So it's irrespective of any office or anything. Any person who's just 18 years and above stays in and around the location where they have their meetings, they like the meetings, can join. My personal choice, if given today, would have been to join Northwest because I've seen this club not only as an area director, but since the time I came to Pune. I used to actually live bang opposite the school where their meeting used to take place. And I used to ensure that every Sunday I'm in Pune, I used to go there. The reason behind that is this club has given great communicators and great leaders to Pune. And I urge each and every one of you, if you haven't yet been to their meeting, please attend their meetings on Sundays and you will get to know for yourself what a great club this is. And then you will yourself take that step to become a member of the club. I think that's all that I have to say for now. We have very less time for the table topics, and I want you guys to enjoy some table topics as well. So I'll hand it over to Jay. Over to you, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Joylan, our area director, who just came here because he was thinking this session must be a really good, and he want to enjoy it by his own, not only on the YouTube or some video recording. So thank you very much, Toastmaster Joylan, to join us. Now there is one more session, and that session will be amazing. This is dedicated to our guests only, our Toastmaster Pawan. Our Toastmaster Pawan will give you some words or some hints, and then you have to speak. So why should I open all the surprises? Let's give it back to our Toastmaster Pawan. Toastmaster Pawan, please take it up. Now the stage is yours. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Jay. Mr. President, Mr. Area Director, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guest. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to be a table topic master for today's demo meeting. Now you must be wondering, what is this table topic? Do I need to climb on a table and discuss something? So let me show you something which will clarify few of your doubts. And let me allow you to share something. Can you see my screen? Just show thumbs up if you can see my screen. Not yet. Just a second. Can you see the screen? Okay, sounds good. Now, usually for every meeting, we have some kind of a theme. Okay, theme which may be related to something that is happening around us. For every meeting, we have some kind of theme. Like last week, we have a musical Sunday theme. Prior to that, we have a movie magic theme. So let's this particular demo purpose, let's have a theme called as joining the ride, and I will give you some topic related to that. So this is for setting the context. So let's understand what basically means a table topic is and what is my role as a table topic master. First question, what is a table topic? As you can see in this picture, okay, here I'll call you someone randomly, okay, and I'll give him a topic, okay, and he has to listen that topic carefully and deliver a speech. Okay, so what does this table topic help us? This table topic help us to think on our feet, to think and speak impromptu, so that we can be a better person in order to give some replies in every day-to-day life. At the same time, it helps us to improve the listening skills also. And why the listening skill? Because it will help to listen what is the topic on which we want to speak. It also helps us as an active listener, what other person want to say in his speech. So what are the few pointers in the table topic session? First thing, when a topic is given to you, just listen a topic very carefully. Think over it for a few seconds, say 15 to 20 seconds. Collaborate your thoughts and deliver it. So just follow a simple step like listen, think, collaborate, and deliver. I just use this simple formula for table topic session. How much time should I speak? You have to speak minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes. Okay, we have a timer who can help us to note our time, and we can see the timing card that will be displayed on the screen. For example, if you reach to 1 minute, he will show green card. If you reach to 1.5 minutes, you will see yellow card. If you reach 2 minutes, then he will show you red card, and you can continue your speech till 2 minutes 30 seconds, and after that you will listen a buzzer. You have to conclude your speech. Usually in every Toastmaster meeting, we'll have something called as a word of the day and phrase of the day. It's not compulsory to use word of the day and phrase of the day in the meeting, but if you use it, we will encourage those people or those person who is speaking by giving a thumbs up. For example, I just choose the word of the day, which is in conjunction with our theme, that is joining the ride, which the word of the day is expedition. You know what most of us know the expedition means? It's kind of a journey or a travel. You can use it in a different way. Okay, we are on an expedition of a better leaders. That's the one of the example. Next is phrase of the day, hit the road. Hit the road means start the journey. Okay. So you can use this word of the day and phrase of the day in your speech. So let's start straight away, get on the ground and hit the road by starting the table topic session. Okay, so as you can see here, some of the seasoned Toastmaster gave me a thumbs up, which means that I have used hit the road phrase of the day in my meeting. Now let's start the table topic session. And just to be familiar, to make everyone familiar of this table topic session, for a couple of, for first two topics, I will choose some of our seasoned Toastmasters so that they can come up. They will demonstrate how this table topic session work. Okay, for every speaker, it will be different topic. Okay, follow simple rule, LTCD, listen your topic, think it for 10 to 15 seconds, collaborate your thoughts and deliver it. Just a simple thing. Okay, so let me welcome our seasoned Toastmaster, Toastmaster Venkatesh Prabhugaonkar. Toastmaster Venkatesh, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pawan.
And here is the topic. May I request the Zoom master to spotlight Toastmaster Venkatesh, also timer. Please note the timing, 1 to 2 minutes. And here is the topic. Toastmaster Venkatesh, small steps lead to memorable journey. Small steps lead to memorable journey, Toastmaster Venkatesh.
Thank you, Table Topic Master, Toastmaster Pawan. Am I clearly visible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you. Small steps lead to the memorable journey. When we want to go somewhere, when we have some certain destination, we just lay down the steps, what we need to do to reach up to that destination. If I want to become a leader, I have to lay down the topics, I have to lay down the steps which I need to carry out to reach up to that level. Maybe it is a manager, maybe it's a president, as Toastmaster Vinod said, maybe it's a chairman. So every person has got some or the other goal in his life. And when you want to travel through your journey, you have to list down some of the steps. Like it can be a very small steps that you have to take some initiative today, some steps. Maybe if I have to improve my communication to become a better speaker in order to become a better leader, I may have to take a decision that either I have to join somewhere to improve my communication skill, or maybe some classes, maybe some mentor whom I should follow and get some tips which will help me to improve my communication skill. So I decided that I joined the Toastmaster just to improve my skill. And it was just 8 months back which I took the decision to join the Toastmaster. Followed by that, the next step was I got an opportunity, and at the same time, I wanted to improve my leadership skill. So I nominated myself for the XCOM role. So that XCOM role of Vice President Public Relationship has helped me a lot in my office, in my organization as well. I was trying for the product marketing role. And in that, the communication as well as the leadership skill, both were required. And I was into the back-end office job like engineering or the design function. From the design function, moving to the product marketing role, which is a customer facing, and at the same time, leading the business. So that function to achieve that particular role has helped me by just joining the Toastmaster and delivering the speeches, taking the role and taking the XCOM role in the Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest has helped me to lead and to reach up to my destination. And today I got the opportunity to become a product marketing manager in my organization. So that was the huge achievement, and I could able to reach up to there because of the small steps which I took during my journey. Over to you, Toastmaster, table topic master, Toastmaster Pawan.
Thank you, Toastmaster Venkatesh. Let me call upon our another seasoned Toastmaster, Toastmaster Abhishek. Toastmaster Abhishek, can you hear me? And then after Toastmaster Abhishek, we will ask the guests to join. I got few nominations from the guests. So I will call upon guests. Toastmaster Abhishek, you there?
Yes.
Yeah. So Toastmaster Abhishek, here is the topic. Okay. Fail to plan is planning to fail. Fail to plan is planning to fail. Toastmaster Abhishek.
Thank you so much, Table Topic Master, for this topic. Just a second. Yeah. So when I joined Toastmasters, my first impression was I will do everything. I go through the syllabus, what are the things are there, how people are saying, and I started comparing with them. I started to think that I will be the greatest public speaker of all time. What ended up happening was I didn't improve much because the problem was I was comparing with myself with the people who were really experienced, who had worked years on the public speaking. After that, I started analyzing what was the issue, why I'm not able to improve much. After doing some analysis, I found out that I didn't take consideration on my level, where I am. At the same time, I was focusing a lot more on my public speaking and coordination or managerial skill. Whereas my another strength was my technical skills, how I am performing in my office. So what I thought about is that let's plan it. Let's plan how I can make my life better. So I decided that I divided my life in two things. One is about my public speaking, the Toastmasters, and about second one is about my career. Then I make plan to do this. I started prioritizing my work. I make a concrete plan. After some time, after nearly 2 or 3 months, the changes started to happen. Things become better. I got promoted in my office. I was able to talk to a lot of people. Not only I was improving in my public speaking, as well as I was improving in my corporate life as well. So guys, this is the learning from here. You have to plan, otherwise you will fail. You have to understand your position and you need to move forward. Thank you, and over to you, Table Topic Master.
Thank you, Toastmaster Abhishek. Now let's welcome guest Hunar Sharma. Hunar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So guest Hunar, just pay attention. Oh, hey, young man. Okay, so here is a topic for you. Okay. You have to beyond the comfort zone. Beyond the comfort zone, guest Hunar.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmasters. So beyond the comfort zone is a zone that many people are unfamiliar with. Some people are willing to explore it and some are not. The ones which are willing to explore it sometimes get astonished. They don't know what's ahead on their expedition. Sometimes they even stop at moments and try to set back. But there are some which go ahead and strive to their success. The ones who stay in the comfort zone are never exposed to the outer world. Like MS Dhoni has his own comfort zone, which is cricket. If you have seen the recent IPL match, then you would notice that in the break time, MS Dhoni was playing football with his teammates. Yes, he was exploring beyond his comfort zone. The comfort zone for Cristiano Ronaldo is football. So every person has his own comfort zone. The ones which start their expedition can go to great success and they start to have new hobbies. For example, in this lockdown, I had some new hobbies, which is sketching and just exploring more things like craft and origami. This was a great experience for me. Thank you.
Awesome. That's really nice speech, guest Hunar. And I have something that I wanted to tell you, but that will be after meeting. But Toastmaster Jay, DTM Heman, DTM Vinod, I have seen something in Hunar. Do you agree with me?
Great, 100% agree.
100%. That's what I'm writing message for him in the chat box.
Okay. So we'll have a couple of more. Guest Shreya, are you there? Are you still with us?
Yes.
Yeah, so here is a topic for you. And a timer, please make a note of time and you can share your timing screen also. Okay. Timer, please make a note of time. So guest Shreya, here is the topic. When I didn't responded on time. Guest Shreya, when I didn't responded on time. Stage is yours.
Yes. Hello everyone. Today I'll speak on when I didn't respond on time. Okay. The last time I remember I did not respond on time, it was off the top of my mind while writing in an examination, and I wasn't able to finish on time. So right after that, if I think about a recent event when I didn't respond on time, was when my house was getting very cluttered and I wasn't taking any action. So one day I decided that what if I took the correct response on time and took matters into my hands and completely decluttered the whole space. So I went on to look on YouTube and find out methods to declutter my house. And this was an expedition towards organizing and bettering myself in my day-to-day life. So the different things that they were suggesting is that when you declutter the house, you kind of declutter your mind. And the process of decluttering was that we had to take the action on the right time, at the right time. So if something is lying somewhere it's not supposed to be, we should take the action right when we see it. By that way, we can reduce the clutter much easily. There are 3 steps towards it. The first step is to do it all at once. Second, to do it within a specified time. So time in our life, what is really time in our life? And what do we mean by life? Our life is nothing but the time that we have while we're living, right? So our time is very valuable. So which is why responding on time is a very vital thing. So we can hit the road on our journey towards responding right on time and improve our life day to day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, guest Shreya. Now we'll have a last topic, and who would like to come forward? Or I can pick randomly someone from the guest list. Is that fine? Guest Ayush, can you hear me?
Atharva is interested.
Okay, that's great. So guest Atharva, here is the topic. Guest Atharva, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly. So guest Atharva, here is the topic. Guest Atharva, the speech that motivates me most. The speech that motivates me most, guest Atharva, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pawan. So to begin with, I would like to say one sentence, that is, the words have more powerful than the sword, that we have heard most of the time. So it means that basically the words have the power to win over anyone. So we must always remember to be careful while using the words. So the topic which I have is the speech that motivates me the most. So it is very difficult to choose a one specific speech which we feel that motivates me the most, because each and everyone has her own views whenever we talk about speeches. So what we must understand whenever we think about a speech, that is basically the things which we understand from a speech, that is whether he or she matches with my point of view, or whether or anything new that we have heard from him or her, or like this, whichever new things which we feel or which we think that is better for us, we feel that it motivates us. The biggest thing we must remember that neither speech nor anybody will motivate us. The biggest motivator for us should be ourselves. So we must take it from our point from this forward, that speeches whichever we learn, they must act as a catalyst for improving us and motivate us. But the biggest motivator should be ourselves, that is me and I. So the speech which I would like to, which motivates me, is the Sudha Murthy speech, where she always says that it is nothing but the hard work that we put in. That is, whenever she says that she was the only girl during her engineering school with many hardships, that is, even in her college, she didn't have the toilets for girls, but she yet succeeded in doing the engineering. So that is what is I learned from the speech, or whichever she said, that it is us, that is nothing but we must be capable enough for doing that, and it must be our hard work which we must do. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guest Atharva. And thank you everyone for your generous participation in this table topic contest. I must say, I have seen a lot of potential in many of you as a better speaker, as a better leaders. And with that motivation and with that inclination towards a better communicator, we can start our journey. Thank you, and over to you, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pawan. Today, we have decided to find out who spoke the best or who needs the improvement. But right now I'm thinking, everyone is just started. Everyone should get a fair chance. So today we will not differentiate. So for us, everyone is winner. Everyone is. Let's have a big round of applause for everyone who participated in it. Here today you can see, you never spoke on the stage, but today you just shown some courage and then come on the stage and spoke something about an unfamiliar word, unfamiliar phrase. Is it difficult? No. Just a small effort, small courage you need, and then you can make it. Perfect. Thank you, Toastmaster Pawan. I have also received the timing from Toastmaster Meenal. Thank you, Toastmaster Meenal. And there is no any time disqualification as well. Everyone has spoken in the between 1 minute to 2 minutes. A great job. Even sometimes the expert people fail in it. But today our guest and our seasoned Toastmaster did a really fantastic job. Super. Now, let's go ahead for some testimonials. Now, I want to hand over to Toastmaster Hina for this section. Toastmaster Hina, please take it up.
Thank you, Toastmaster Jay. Yes, so let's go to Chandrasekhar first. May we have Chandrasekhar on camera, please? Do we have Chanda? Okay, so let's move to Toastmaster Pavel. Hello, Toastmaster Pavel. Can we have you on camera, please?
Sure. Hello. Am I audible?
You are audible. Hello, Toastmaster Pavel.
Hi.
So let's have some roasting done today. Okay. Okay. So Toastmaster Pavel, are you working or are you a student?
No, I'm working. I'm a working professional.
And where are you working?
Yes. A brief intro about me. So I'm a senior designer working for a Fortune 500 company. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And when did you join Toastmasters?
I joined Toastmasters in the month of February 2021. So I'm a new member. Yeah.
That's good.
Yes.
I don't look like a new member. Okay, nice. So, so it's been almost 2 months for you, Toastmaster Pavel. Would you like to describe your experience as a Toastmaster now? And I understand it's just 2 months, but do you feel any difference in the way you present yourself now?
Sure. So from February, as I said, I work for a multinational company. So in order to progress in my career, I contemplated that I have to improve my public speaking and my communication skills, and therefore I joined Toastmasters. And from February till now, it has been a great learning experience so far. And the members in this club are really helpful, and they support you in your journey. And I'm so grateful to be a part of this club. Yeah.
Perfect. Have you taken part in the contests, Toastmaster Pavel?
Yes, I took part in the table topics. It was a great learning experience again.
Okay.
Because
would you like to share your experience?
Yeah. So the international competition, the table topics one.
Perfect. That's great, Toastmaster Pavel. Thank you for sharing your experience and about yourself with us, with everyone here. We now move on to Toastmaster Mayur. Toastmaster Mayur, can we have you on camera, please? Hello, Toastmaster Mayur. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. So, Toastmaster Mayur, are you a student? Are you working? So, what's your current profession?
I recently joined a company and currently working as a software engineer in persistent system.
Oh, perfect. That's nice. Great. And when did you join Toastmasters?
Yeah. In the month of March 2021.
March 2021. Almost a month now, right? Over a month, right? If we take from the start. So, yes. Toastmaster Mayur, what was your purpose of joining Toastmasters?
I always wanted to reduce my public speaking fear, and that's why I joined Toastmasters.
And that's a very, very good step that you have taken. To take out the fear, you have to come, take some action. So how's your experience for the last 1 month, Toastmaster Mayur? I understand you've taken a couple of roles also.
Yeah.
And you're a very active member with the club. Yeah, can you please share your experience with us?
Yeah, my mentor, Toastmaster Swati, always encouraged me to take auxiliary roles like counter, grammarian, and timer. These roles are really helpful because it develops leadership qualities, as well as while taking those roles, like the task which is required, like for our counter, like we have to count every filler words and that unnecessary sound we have to count. Through that task, I learned that how Toastmasters are they do very, very less mistakes. So that is learning as well. From by taking this role, I have to observe their speech very closely, and from that I always learn every new thing.
Oh, you will reach newer heights, Toastmaster Mayur. It's just been a month and you are really active. Of course, when you start giving your speeches and start following your pathways, you will reach newer heights. Do you have Toastmaster Chandra?
Just a small thing to add. Within a month, he got the Toastmaster of the Month award. Congratulations on that as well.
Oh yes. Congratulations, Toastmaster Mayur.
Thank you so much. Because
thank you, Toastmaster Mayur. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, please. Okay. Do we have Toastmaster Chandra? with us? Okay, now over to you, Toastmaster Jay.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Hina. It was a really pleasant surprise for everyone. The guest and every Toastmaster has performed really very well. This was an open house, which we are organizing once in a year in every club, so that we can understand what the current market is required, what we have to change, what the new blood is saying. That's the most important thing. If we have to keep the repeated old pattern, then it will not work. So from last 95 years, as Toastmaster Hemant already said, we are doing a continuously new changes. So Toastmaster Pavel, Toastmaster Mayur, you already here. Distinguished Toastmaster Hemant, distinguished Toastmaster Vinod, you are also here. So everyone is saying the one thing. Everyone has a common purpose, and that purpose was to improve their communication skill, public speaking skill, to reduce the fear to come on the stage that they want to improve. And you can see it's working really fine, and they had improved a lot. And as much efforts they had put, it was amazing. So today, once again, I want to thank you all the organization committee who helped me to organize this session. And I want to give a big thanks to all the members, all the guests who come here, who joined us, and then make this session a most memorable one. Thank you very much to all of you. Let's have a big round of applause for each and everyone who participated here. Thank you very much.
Hey, Jay, can I come in?
Yeah, sir. I have to call you. Without your comment, we cannot close in any case. So Toastmaster Vinod, please take it up.
You are muted.
Sir, you're on mute, sir. Vinod, sir.
I invite our area director Toastmaster Joylen to speak about something about today's meeting.
Good evening, everyone. To be really frank, you must have seen the difference. I was in a black shirt. I'm now in a red shirt. So I was there till Hunar spoke. So I will speak till then. I think it was a wonderful meeting. And I was really happy to hear a lot of you guests coming forward and doing the table topics. So wonderful once again. As I said earlier, we have very few community clubs that, outperform all the Toastmasters Club, and Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest has been one among them. I mean, they have been they have been getting top honors and almost all awards that Toastmasters comes out with. So I'm sure all you guests are in the right hand. Again, as I said, never take a decision that is too hasty. So I've always asked all the guests, first attend the meetings, see what is in it for you. I mean, Hina has given a wonderful explanation. Hemant also did speak quite a bit about what Toastmasters is. Vinod sir has given you a lot of details on leadership as well. So it is now up to you not to waste that moment. One good thing is that the club has their meetings on Sunday mornings. So that's another good thing. You're not wasting, your work timing or anything in the meeting. So please attend the meetings, and I think you should be doing well. As Vinod said, it's a wonderful journey. I myself have been a Toastmaster for over 5 years now, though I've been in corporate clubs only. But this whole journey in itself is a new thing. I mean, I always thought that, coming from a background wherein I have always spoken English in my house, I thought I was good at communication. But trust me, I have improved quite a bit, not only in my communication skills, but also in my leadership skills with this Toastmasters. So once again, a wonderful event by Jay, Hemant, Vinod, Hina, and the team. I mean, you guys have always, gone above the expectations that we have always had. So great work done, and looking forward for most of these guests becoming members of Toastmasters Club of Pune Northwest. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, our area director, Toastmaster Joylen, for your presence. Thank you very much. We are blessed. You are there in the meeting. For the benefit of all the guests, we have all types of members from different businesses. We have doctors, we have chartered accountants, myself from logistics. We have many people from the IT industries. We have students. So if you really want to improve, this is a great platform for you all. And we'll be having briefing for all guests. Jay, who's taking, you're taking briefing for guests. And if you
Yes,
have
I
any
will.
question and answers, Hina, myself, and Jay is always there. And in a screen, we have future Toastmaster, Joylen's son. He's our future Toastmaster, right? So do you have any questions and answers?
After once this we
I
adjourn
have
the
a quick
meeting.
question. How old is Hunar? Hunar, you there?
Yeah,
So how old are you?
I'm 13.
Okay, good. So I just want to inform, we have something called as a Gavels Club, which is for the kids who are less than 18 years old. And I'm proud to say my son Shlok also a part of Gavels Club. You can join there as well. There are a lot of good speakers there. And it's all the meeting conducted by the kids of your age only. Sorry,
Okay,
Jay,
Toastmaster.
I'm
No
stealing
problem.
one of your
No
future
problem.
Toastmaster.
Completely okay. No problem. Completely okay. So that's the only point. Here we are to support member, not a special benefit. Our benefit is when the person is improving. If you are improved, then my job is done. So simple. And you make my life easy. So thank you very much to you. Okay, so Vinod sir and others. So once we adjourn the meeting, then we will have a guest briefing or chit chat or whatever the formal informal question you want, you can ask after this one, so that the other members can leave like like Venkatesh and Abhishek. Their jobs are done, but we will keep continuing. Then we can have some more chit chat, and then we will try to understand. We will exchange our ideas so that we can create a common ground. That's the first point to go in any area. Okay. So Vinod sir, any point do you have?
I'm waiting for any questions. If we don't have any questions, so we can brief again how for the benefit of the guests, how they can join and the process we
Sure.
can, yeah.
Okay, so now I will just explain the same thing, more or less same thing once again. So what are we expecting from you? So we require only 2.5 hours from your side in a week. In that time, you have to join us. You have to take participate in the roles, and then we will evaluate how you did, how you perform. And then we will say, okay, you can, no need to say it was a big change, that you can say it was a significant change. That vocab you can change. Or if you are using lot of filler sound, example, some people are expert in saying you know. Some people are expert in ah. So that we can find out and give it back to you. That you can also improve. The third thing, if you are really very interested in the leadership roles and all, then we have the XCOM. You can participate in the XCOM roles or in the as a contest chair or the newsletter committee. There you will learn different aspects of the same thing. How to work with a team. No one is getting a salary, still they are working as a team. That's the enjoyment. That you will also learn. Now the question is how you can join this club. To join this club, you have to just contact to me. I hope you already received one chat in like my number. You can also wrote down once again 95614682264. You can also find in the same in the poster as well. Just call me, just send me a small message, and I'm always available to answer it. This doesn't matter. It's whatever the question came in your mind, just ask. And right now, this is the best time when we are in our home. No need to travel so far. You can learn it from your home. So any opportunity in the future you will get? I don't think so. This is the right time to take the decision. Let's take it. So now, let's with all these things. I want to adjourn the meeting. But the members, you can stay with us. The guests, you can stay with us. and in an informal chat we can do, or I will be happy to answer any question. Okay? So now, officially, I want to say thank you to each and everyone once again. And with this one, I want to adjourn the meeting. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Jay.
President.
Thank you, everyone.
For the benefit of the guest, we would like to inform you that we are completing 338 milestone meeting. It means we have more than 6.5 years with this club is old, right? So we'll be having a special meeting. We'll be having entertainment. We'll be having speeches. So guests, you are all are invited to attend the meeting at 11 o'clock this Sunday to enjoy more and to know more about this club. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you all. See you soon in the milestone meeting. Thank you.